Happy New Year, everyone! Nag-iisip ba tayo kung sino ang nakaimbento ng New Year? Okay? Ito po ay mixture ng different cultures and traditions, including the ancient Romans and the Mesopotamians. Sa Roman po, si Roman King Numa Pompilius, nirevise niya ang Roman calendar around 715 to 673 before Christian era, na ginawa ang January as first month, replacing March. Ang month po ng January ay named after Janus, the Roman god of beginnings. The tradition of making New Year's resolutions come from the Romans, who would make promises to God Janus on January 1. Sa Mesopotamians naman, the earliest known New Year's festival was in Mesopotamia around 2000 before Christian era. Ang festival po ay pinangalanan Akitu, began with the new moon after the spring equinox. Sa Egyptian naman, ang year began when Sirius, the brightest star, appeared around mid-July and coincided with the flooding of the Nile, which helped irrigated nearby farmland. Sa Persian naman, ang year nagbegan on the vernal equinox, which is March 21. Sa Greek naman na tradition, the year began with the winter solstice, which is December 21. Pero noong 1582 po, si Pope, he is a Catholic Pope, Gregory XIII created a revised calendar that officially established January 1 as the New Year's Day. This date was gradually adopted in Europe and beyond. So yun po ang ibig sabihin kung bakit ang New Year ay naging tradisyon sa buong sanlibutan. The earliest known record of the New Year festival dates from about 2000 before Christian era in Mesopotamia, where in the Babylonia, the New Year Akitu began with a new moon pagkatapos po ng vernal equinox, and in Assyria with the new moon nearest the autumn equinox or mid-September. Salamat po at ako'y inyong fina-follow kahit po wala akong mga masyadong gimmick sa aking mga vlogs. Ang susunod po natin na tatalakayin bakit si Jesus Christ ay sinabing binaptize siya ng 12 years old ba or after ng kaniyang birth month ng supposedly December or January siya ibinaptize dahil di ba nagdidiwang ang Catholic Church ng Santo Niño sa January. So we will find out paano ba nagsimula ang mga Santo Niño na belief na yan ng Catholic faith. Thank you for listening and I hope you enjoyed.